Thank you for choosing to tour a home from the Susman collection. If you have any questions about this or any other homes, please call 9544780974. I look forward to hearing from you soon. Welcome home to wide open spaces. This open concept gem will not disappoint. New impact windows, new luxury vinyl flooring throughout. Beautifully upgraded open kitchen. Great split floor plan with generous sized bedrooms. A private fenced-in backyard and oversized patio complete this beauty. Great centrally located Pembroke Pines location. Close to many great shops and restaurants. To top it all off, super low HOA dues. Come grab this one before it's sold.